Hike your way into the soul of Norway with our top picks for the 7 best multi-day treks, where every step is a brushstroke in nature's masterpiece. If you're a nature lover looking for your next hiking escapade, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the spectacular world of multi-day hikes in Norway. Get ready for some breathtaking trails and epic landscapes. Let's jump in. From dramatic fjords to snow-capped peaks, Norway's got it all. Before we lace up those hiking boots, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell for more outdoor inspiration. Now let's hit the trails. Day 7, the serene Aurlandsdalen Valley Trek. The Aurlandsdalen Valley Trek treats you to serene landscapes and the picturesque Fjord. Wander through lush greenery, charming meadows, and relish the tranquility of Norway's countryside. The Aurlandsdalen hike is not just rewarding in terms of scenery, but it is also one of Norway's best hikes. The renowned hiking path through the valley was formerly the primary route linking the western and eastern regions of Norway. The region is untamed, teeming with plant and animal diversity, brimming with historical and cultural gems, and abounding in unspoiled beauty. Along the entire trail, you'll encounter striking geological formations, providing ample opportunities to immerse yourself in Norwegian nature, such as deep canyons, steep gorges, rugged mountain structures, thundering waterfalls. The entire Aurlandsdalen Valley Trek is approximately 50 kilometers in length. It begins in Finse, a tiny mountain village in Ulvik municipality, and concludes in Vassbygdi, situated in Vestland County. Day 6, hiking through Hardangervidda National Park. The Hardangervidda National Park is a vast plateau offering diverse trails. From gentle strolls to challenging hikes, you'll encounter reindeer herds and maybe catch a glimpse of the elusive Arctic fox. It's a wilderness lover's paradise. Avalanche Lake is an ideal afternoon hike in Glacier National Park. It has many advantages for those exploring glacier hikes. Firstly, its location is convenient near Lake McDonald Lodge. We recommend checking out Glacier Park boats for a boat ride on Lake McDonald before starting your hike. Glacier National Park boasts more than 700 miles of trails, offering excellent options for both short hikes and extended backpacking adventures. There's something to suit everyone's preferences. The highlight of Glacier National Park is the Going to the Sun Road, stretching 50 miles from West Glacier on the west side to St. Mary on the east side. The west side covers 35 miles of this route and offers a more scenic and picturesque drive. Sandflygen is the highest peak at 1,721 meters above sea level. The characteristic peak Horteigen is 1,690 meters above sea level. Day 5, dramatic views on the Romsdalsegen Ridge. The Romsdalsegen Ridge hike promises dramatic views of the Romsdal Alps and the famous Trollvegen, Troll Wall. Between June and September, the Romsdalsegen bus operates from Åndalsnes bus and railway station to Venjesdalen Valley. The bus begins its route outside the Norwegian Mountaineering Center, Norsk Tindesenter, and reaches the hiking trail in approximately 20 minutes. The hike from the parking lot in Vengedalen to the summit and across Romsdalsegen typically takes 7 to 8 hours. Covering a distance of approximately 10 kilometers, the trail has an elevation gain of 970 meters. Begin with a moisture-wicking base layer next to your skin. If necessary, layer on an insulating mid-layer and a waterproof outer shell, such as a rain jacket, to ensure you're ready for any hike. Day 4. The enchanting Lofoten Islands Adventure. The Lofoten Islands stretch across the tumultuous waters of the Norwegian Sea, situated well beyond the Arctic Circle. This unique wilderness haven presents an untouched scenery of towering mountains, expansive fjords, lively seabirds, extended wave-kissed beaches, and charming fishing villages. Switching gears to the coastal magic of the Lofoten Islands, this multi-day trek combines mountainous trails with the charm of fishing villages. Prepare for stunning seascapes, white sandy beaches, and the unique experience of hiking under the midnight sun. Yet, a factor that often gives pause to those considering a visit to Lofoten is the steep costs. Getting to the islands involves pricey flights, renting a car, or navigating a complex mix of trains and ferries. During the summer, accommodation prices surge due to heightened demand. The Lofoten Islands enjoy a surprisingly mild climate, even though they are situated so far north. This is thanks to warm water transported northward along the Norwegian coast by sea currents. The Gulf Stream is responsible for maintaining this mild climate. Day 3. The challenging Breathtaking Ridge Hike. Vestfjell Mountain is the highest point on Breathtaking, marked by large rock piles. Once you reach the summit, the rest of the hike back to Gjendisheim feels like a relatively easy walk, with occasional steep sections. Most people take around 6 to 8 hours to complete the Breathtaking hike, including breaks. It's a lengthy trek, with an elevation gain of almost 1,000 meters. While there may be some scrambling in certain sections, most hikers won't face any significant challenges. The Great Himalaya Trail is undoubtedly the most challenging single trail globally, but not everyone has the months needed to trek the thousands of miles it covers. Instead, we've selected the best section to give you a taste of this incredible trail. The Breathtaking Ridge is about 1 kilometer long and ascends by 250 meters. Positioned halfway along the trail, it includes some scrambling, and individuals who are sensitive to heights should get ready for a bit of a challenge. Day 2. Majestic Jotunheimen National Park. Heading to the largest national park in Norway, Jotunheimen offers some of the most majestic landscapes. With diverse trails catering to various skill levels, you'll be surrounded by glaciers, crystalline lakes, and maybe even reindeer companions. A true wilderness experience. Jotunheimen features majestic mountain scenery with tall peaks, glaciers, unique rivers and lakes, remnants of a hunting culture, unspoiled farm landscapes, and a diverse flora where many plants reach their peak height. The Jotunheimen Mountains are a place of superlatives. Translating to the home of the giants, they are the highest mountains in Norway and Northern Europe. Jotunheimen National Park is the country's most visited, and the Breathtaking Ridge is the country's most popular day hike. The park is easily accessible from Norway's major cities Oslo, Bergen, and Trondheim. Public transport is a good and affordable way to reach Jotunheimen. By car, you can reach Jotunheimen from Bergen, Gardermoen, or Oslo in about 4 hours. The initial segment of the historical hiking route in Jotunheimen leads from Gjendisheim to Memorubu across Breathtaking Ridge. This trail is not only renowned as one of the world's most famous hikes, but is also situated in the core of Jotunheimen National Park, deeply connected to the history of Norwegian mountain life and outdoor culture. Day 1. The iconic Trolltunga Trek. First up, the iconic Trolltunga Trek. This 2-day adventure takes you to the famous Troll's Tongue rock formation. Spectacular cliffs, stunning vistas, and that unbeatable sense of accomplishment await you. Are you up for the challenge? Trolltunga, the jaw-dropping rock formation in Norway, sits 700 meters above Ringedal's Vatnet Lake, offering breathtaking views. The hike to get there is challenging but totally worth it. In the summer, seasoned hikers can venture on their own. On 5 September 2015, a 24-year-old Australian woman fell to her death off Trolltunga. The trek to Trolltunga, perched at 1180 meters, is challenging yet rewarding, offering magnificent views. The round-trip hike from the main trailhead at P2 in Skjegedal covers 27 kilometers with an ascent of nearly 800 meters. Plan for an estimated hiking time of 8 to 12 hours. Trolltunga is a tough hike, requiring preparation for a challenging experience. It's essential to be a seasoned long-distance hiker or in excellent physical shape due to the hike's difficulty. While not as demanding as hiking the GR20, many underestimate the length and elevation of the Trolltunga Trail. Outside the main season, it is not possible to hike without a guide. You need to plan well before starting, and remember to take good mountain clothing, sturdy footwear, sticking plaster, food, drink, and a map and compass with you. There is no fee to hike Trolltunga. However, if you have a car, you will have to pay for parking. And there you have it, my friends, the 7 best multi-day hikes in Norway. Which one would you love to conquer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're ready to hit the trails. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.